Good morning, traders. Options tender here. Looking at markets pre-order. This is the first market update in the morning at Options Tender. So welcome. Thank you for joining. Thank you for watching. So let's get to it. The markets are mostly down. NASDAQ is showing a little bit of relative strength. Gold is down. But looking at the ES, the holding the levels here around 3670. That's a real big deal for us. That's a breakout from an ascending triangle. So looking good, holding the 8 MA. MACD. I always like to look at the MACD. Looking healthy. It's still holding above the moving average. The leader's holding over the moving average. RSI, not overbought. Looking good. And the slow stoke still moving right along, oscillating in the top part there. So we're always going to start off with the daily on the pre-market, and then we'll move down to the 65. Give us a little tighter look on what we're checking out here. But again, here's our 370 area holding up well. Looks like we did a small ABC pullback, so we may not see too much of a pullback at all today. So this might be just one of those buy the dip situations. I think that might be for this whole move up. I'm not sure that we're going to get so much of a pullback, but always be ready for if we do. I have some VXX insurance on right now, but I'll probably end up taking those off. We're coming down here on the we have a little bit of divergence, we see. Coming down here on the leader line, usually right here on this line on the MACD, if you're in a trending market, we'll just start to scoot back up and head a little higher. So we'll be watching this throughout the day. This I use a 65-minute chart, just so we have even bars throughout the day. Also, in our morning markets, we'll check out the not only the pre-market with the ES, but then we'll look at a couple names, and hopefully we can gain some traction with some followers and people that are interested in what I have to show, and gain a community so we can start putting out some names to check out before the opening. But over the weekend, I did do a market update, weekend market update, and also some bonus setups. So in the pre-market here, we're going to check out spce, see how that's doing, because we're looking to get in this name today. Spce is forming an ascending triangle. Looks like we're up just a little bit, about a dollar. And if we can just get over this $30 mark, we may have a great breakout. So we have this trending line here. I'll put one while we're talking. Put one up here, about right there. So at most I could see pulling back to this trend line here, but I'm not really banking on it. So I'm probably just going to get in right away. Looking for the break above here, and we have our obvious stop point if we break down from the ascending triangle bottom. Next name. I know over the weekend we've been getting some news just about, I think this fifth week in a row we may have gotten some news for vaccines, but just checking out Pfizer. Big name. A lot of people are watching it. Looks like we're up just a little bit, just working its way up. It might be forming like a cup and handle, something like that. IBB. I'm not going to cover too many index names, but I just happen to notice this one. Same thing, cup and handle. It's actually breaking out, so there may be a good move here today. That's just going to solidify what's happening in PFE as well. Moderna also making a slight move here in the pre-market. We'll keep, looks like about $3 up. So something to check out. Looks like it might be a also sort of like a cup and handle area. We'll keep an eye on this. But anyway, that's it. Just wanted to introduce this morning market We'll do this every weekday, and we'll also have a happy hour at the end. If you like this, please hit the like button. It's going to help me help you, and we can start this community together. Have some fun. So also subscribe if you're interested in the work that I do. All right. Thank you for joining us. It's D. Wayne Turner, Options Center. Have a good day. Good luck trading.